When you hold me in the street and you kiss me on the dance floor, I wish that it could be like that. Why can't we be like that? 'Cause I'm yours. We keep behind closed doors. Every time I see you, I feel it so more. So the moments that we see, there's the cutting force. You'll never be enough. It's obvious you're meant for me. Every piece of you, it just fits perfectly. Every second, every thought, I'm in so deep. Will never show it on my face, but we know this. We got a love that is so clear. Why can't you hold me in the street? Why can't I kiss you on the dance floor? I wish that it could be like that. Why can't we be like that? 'Cause I'm yours.
When you're with him, do you call his name like you do when you're with me? Does it feel the same? Would you leave if I was ready to settle down? Or would you play it safe and say, girl, you know this, we had a love that is hopeless.
Why can't you hold me in the street? Why can't I kiss you on the dance floor? I wish that it could be like that. Why can't it be like that? 'Cause I'm yours.
And nobody knows I'm in love with someone's baby.
Don't wanna hide us away.
Say the brother of the love and making.
How will you pay for that day someday?
Can you hold me in the streets? Can I kiss you on the dance floor?
I wish that it could be like that. Can we be like that? 'Cause I'm yours. I'm yours. Oh, why can't you
Hold me in the street.
Why can't I kiss you on the dance floor? I wish that it could be like that. Why can't we be like that? 'Cause why can't I say
that I'm in love?
I wanna
Said it from the rooftops.
I wish that it could be like that. Why can't we be like that? 'Cause why can't we be like that? 'Cause we could be like